Imagine you were asked to change the way we power the world. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, until you remember, even the biggest changes happen one small step at a time. One gear, one bolt, one circuit at a time. One click, one test, one advancement at a time. One machine, one better machine, one bigger, better machine at a time. One person, one team, one small step at a time. From the world's first offshore wind farm to its largest, we've been working to create a world that runs entirely on green energy. Because little by little, growth happens. Ørsted. Love your home.